Okay guys, we've come up on our first kitchen, and this is Crown Point Cabinetry, which is a very, very fine manufacturer of traditional cabinets. And so here's a display this year of their kitchen, as well as the flooring. Very rustic, as you can see. Here's your center aisle. Okay, this year they have a contemporary kitchen out as well. So this is their version, their contemporary version. Actually, it's the first time I've seen them with a contemporary display. Very nice. Clean lines. So guys, if you are into contemporary style, contemporary living, this might be a thought for you. Nothing fussy, all clean lines, and basically if you like this style, it would be a well-appointed kitchen. There's some wall ovens, microwave. I can't really see what company that is. Oh, it's Spade. They tend to make a lot of retro style kitchens as well. So we're leaving the kitchens and walking into, I guess, some furniture. Oh, Melee. They also make kitchens, washing machines, refrigerators. Here's your induction stoves, stove tops, I should say. And here's your traditional gas burning stove, which is something I prefer over the induction model.
Mind if I scan you really quick? Mind if I scan your badge really quick?
Go ahead.
It's turned
Oh, you can turn it around because I have my camera. I'm getting scanned.
There you go.
So here's your wine cooler over here. Here you have your wall ovens. And over here you have your traditional gas range. You have, let's see, this is a real big stove. And look here guys, it's computerized.
Questions for you? No. Just looking around?
Yes, thank you so much. So this stove has 6 burners as well as a grill. There's your grill. And it has 2 ovens, as well as where you can do your steaks at the bottom. The pull-out drawer. It looks like it's 2 pull-out drawers. So this is Melee. That's the company. I'm trying not to pick up too much literature. Here's another kitchen. Root is the name of this company. I've never seen them out here before, but they're here now. Most of the vendors and the manufacturers that are at the show, I am very familiar with them and their product line. So guys, for those of you who are looking to upgrade or change out laminate countertops and looking for something that is durable, strong, and something that is classic, classy, sophisticated, contemporary, or even traditional, here's quartz, which is a man-made surface. You don't have to worry about, for example, if you spill wine on the countertop. Here's what it looks like. They've actually got an entire flooring of this quartz, but quartz, as you see, comes in various colors, shades, tones. But you don't have to worry about quartz staining, because quartz does not stain as marble does. We all love marble, but marble stains. So this company is called Quartz Master. This piece here is very nice, as well as this one. I've always liked this. This is nice also. Oh, Frank Lloyd Wright, one of America's wonderful architects. If you go to Chicago, you'll get to go to the Frank Lloyd Wright house. Some of his homes that he designed. I remember there was a Frank Lloyd house that was removed from its original spot, but it was not demolished or torn down. It was taken somewhere else. So here are doorknobs, and actually they are levers, and the company is Baldwin Estate. These are for your front door. And they look very safe and secure, guys. So if you want the front of your home to have a very classic look, traditional look, here you have some finishes here. that are classic in every sense of the word. Baldwin. This company goes way back. So as you can see, guys, every detail when designing a home has to be taken into consideration. That's what makes interior design such a lucrative business, because designers pay attention to every minute detail when designing a home. That's what makes a well-designed home spectacular. I don't know who this guy is over there that is giving an interview. He might be somebody with the company Baldwin. I don't know. But should we be nosy and go over and find out who he is? I don't like to be nosy. So that's interesting. A box of keys. So I'll just stand off to the side and observe for a moment. Obviously, he's someone important.